Hey guys, welcome back to another small haul video. This is the mystery daily charm box. It's the prize mystery daily charm box. So we have first is their little card, their thank you. Use that code for 15% off if you would like to. And of course we have some pretty packaging, and I had previously read that this was going to be kind of unicorn themed, so I'm kind of expecting things in that realm. So we'll move the papers and put this off to the side so that way we can get everything out. First up we have some nail tips, full cover tips. Looks like long stilettos. Those ought to be interesting. That's a pretty pink color. Then we have this brush here. Let's see. I mean, it's a pretty color. I think it might be, oh okay, yeah, it's like a gel or gel paint one. I'm definitely going to use that for corrections, you know. Dip that in alcohol and that's a nice straight line. This lid has a hole in the end. It's rather awkwardly long, but it sure is pretty. Seems weird, right? But whatever, it is very pretty. And oh, we have the sponges, the dual-ended sponges with the pretty pink crystals in it, so awesome for gradients. So I've gotten that in a couple of different boxes now, in a couple of different colors. Then we have some gold charms. Looks like we have some butterflies. There was a moon and a star. And then we have some more, let's see here. I guess you want to call it a half bead, kind of a pearlescent. Then we have some small moons and stars, more gold. And then we have these pretty rhinestones, which are kind of like a pinky orange color. It's interesting, I don't have anything that color. And then we have this little mixed bag of crystals, and some of them look to be like an opal, and then there's some other pretty colors in there as well. We have some Charm gel art paint. That sounds interesting. So it is white, pure white. Definitely gonna have to try that out. Paint gel is important, so I'm glad they added some of that. And we have unicorn chrome. Okay, it looks to be about the normal unicorn color, and that's as good as I'm gonna open that because it is kind of a mess and it has spilled. So that's just the normal unicorn powder. If you've seen unicorn powder, that's what that is. Then we have some glitters, holographic unicorn party. I'm trying to see if we can see contents without opening it. And we're gonna have to open it. Okay, so inside is silver holographic, and we see some unicorns, some like hexagon shapes, some diamond shapes, just kind of a mix, star there, just kind of a mix of holographic silver colors and shapes in there. And then we have a white iridescent glitter that'd be good for sugaring. Looks a little clumpy in here. And then we have another silver holographic one. This one has, I see mustaches, smiley faces. I even think I see a poop emoji, so maybe this is like an emoji one. Smiley faces and more mustaches. But there's some mix of silver holographic crazy glitters, we'll call that. This is a palette. I like this. This is this one's awesome. I love that palette for the gel paints and mixing. Comes in handy. Then we have some foils. This one looks like the Aurora kind. I wonder if it's transfer foil or if it's like the sheets that you have to cut. This one's definitely transfer foil, and it's kind of a pearlescent color. Maybe they both are transfer foils, but those are definitely pretty with the pearlescent on both of them. And we have some stickers, some stars. A couple of them have a little rhinestones in the center. Those are pretty. And then we have unicorn stickers and all kinds of colorful stickers here. And then finally we have some Charm gel. Looks like G24. So the viscosity is pretty thick. Couldn't see it right there, maybe there, a little bit, but yeah. But let me tell you, that sure is filled with some awesome rainbow glitters in there. Can you see that? It's beautiful. All right, we are going to swatch this here. And like always, camera never does glitter justice on film, but this is some pretty rainbow glitter. I went ahead and painted half of the swatch stick black so you could see the difference between the two. So that's G24 Daily Charm Gel. Make sure you go to dailycharm.com and check out all of their awesome stuff, or you can check them out on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description box. Thanks for watching as always. If you want to get yourself a mystery box, go to the site and see if there's any available. They do have seasonal boxes. Other than that, make sure you come back on Saturday as we are starting the May Spotlight Collab Challenge. And as always, again, thank you for watching. I do appreciate you guys. Make sure to go check me out over on Instagram and then go check out Daily Charm as well. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching.